Hi, I'm Aaron from 2H Media. In this short video, we're going to answer the question, how long does a video take to produce? First, it's important to understand what goes into producing a video. Depending on your goals for your video and the type of video you're trying to produce, the production process can involve a number of different steps. These steps might include writing a script, storyboarding your video, filming the video, assembling the footage in post-production, adding graphics and special effects, and finalizing the footage for distribution. So how long does it actually take to produce a video? The answer is it depends on a lot of factors, including the complexity of the video, the number of people involved in the project, and the amount of resources you have available. For a simple short video, it may only take a few hours or a day to produce yourself. This could include writing a simple script, capturing some footage on your smartphone, and editing it through a simple app. For a more complex video, involving special effects, a larger cast, and a full crew, it could take days, weeks, or even months to complete the production process. Overall, the length of the production process depends on complexity. We usually focus on capturing 2 to 4 minute videos that take anywhere from a couple of weeks to about a month to produce. If you're interested in learning more about how we produce video, I recommend booking a strategy call with one of our experts. They'll take the time to learn about your business, walk you through our process, develop a plan that works for you, and answer any of your questions.